This is the video solution to problem number 1. So to begin with, for part A on the problem, the moment arm length is the distance between where the force is applied and the axis of rotation is 0.4 meters. That's 40 centimeters. Since the force points from the actual pivot point, or the axis of rotation, there's no torque because there's no moment arm. Anytime a force points to or from the axis of rotation, there's no moment arm, so there's no torque. Now let's look at part A. It's lifted up 30 degrees. The length between the axis of rotation where the object is, where the weight is still 40 centimeters or 0.4 meters, but it's 30 degrees. What I need, according to torque, is I need to find the distance, the perpendicular distance between the direction the force is going and the axis of rotation. So because I'm looking at it from the direction the force is going, that's where that dotted blue line is, because that's the direction the force is pointing in. So now what I need is a line that's perpendicular to that dotted blue line, and that'll be this line right here. So that's between the axis of rotation and the direction of where the force is pointing. That'll be 0.4 meters sine 30. So when I calculate the torque, it's going to be a negative rotation, so that's going to be mgd, which is 98 newtons, 0.4 meters times sine 30, to give me negative 19.6 newton meters. Let's look for this next angle. It's part C. It's at 60 degrees now. 60 degrees, the distance between the axis of rotation and where the force is applied is still 0.4 meters, which is 40 centimeters. And again, I need a direction or a line between the axis of rotation and the direction the force is pointing. So that's going to be this line right here. That means that my distance is going to be, for my torque, is going to be 0.4 sine 60. So 98 times 0.4 meters sine 60 is 33, or negative 33.9 newton meters. And it's negative because that's a negative rotation. The next one's nice. I don't need any trig. The force is already drawn perpendicular to the direction, or to the distance between the axis of rotation and where the force is applied. And that's negative 39.2 newton meters.